Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering docs, Aadhaar, age proof, bank passbook, and a mobile number linked to Aadhaar. Once done, go to the nearest Common Service Center or open the scheme portal. Make sure to carry originals and one photocopy each. Next, tell the agent or select online whether you want a regular savings account and enter nominee details. This prevents delays. Finally, choose your initial deposit amount and keep your DBS/UPI ready for immediate payment. You will now complete the core application. Carefully enter name, Aadhaar, address, nominee, and deposit amount. Sign where required. Then verify identity, either biometric at the center or OTP online, because verification links your account to Aadhaar and enables benefits. Once verified, make the initial deposit via cash, check, or UPI. Keep the transaction receipt. After submission, note the application ID. This lets you track approval status. If you applied in person, you finish by collecting the passbook, receipt, and account number. Verify the interest rate and maturity terms so there are no surprises. Next, set up SMS or online alerts and link the new account to your primary bank for automatic transfers or deposits. If the application is rejected or details mismatch, don't panic. First, recheck documents and Aadhaar details, correct any errors, then reapply promptly. Also, keep the application ID and receipts. They speed up any follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.